world of art, the digital medium has opened up a plethora of opportunities for artists. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding artist, creating digital art can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience for anyone. Digital art is an artistic work, a practice that uses digital technology as an essential part of the creative or presentation process. It's a versatile medium that allows artists to experiment with different styles and techniques, from digital painting and sculpture to animation and 3D modeling. Possibilities are endless. Creating digital art begins with choosing the right tools. There are numerous software options available, some free, some paid, each with its unique features and capabilities. Some popular choices include Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Procreate for iPad. Once you've chosen your software, it's time to start creating. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The beauty of digital art is that it's easy to undo mistakes and try different approaches until you're satisfied with the result. As you continue creating digital art, it's essential to build a portfolio to showcase your work. A digital art portfolio is a collection of your best work, demonstrating your skills and artistic style. Here are some tips for creating a digital art portfolio. To begin with, choose your best work. Your portfolio should only include your best pieces. Quality over quantity is key here. Showcase a range of styles. While it's important to have a consistent style, showing a range of techniques and subjects can demonstrate your versatility as an artist. Include personal projects. Personal projects can show your passion and dedication to your craft. They can also give potential clients or employers insight into your creative process. Keep it updated. Regularly updating your portfolio with new works keeps it fresh and relevant. One of the exciting aspects of creating digital art is the ability to share your experience and your creative process live. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube offer features that allow artists to stream their art creation process in real time. This not only allows you to engage with your audience, but also provides an opportunity to receive instant feedback and suggestions. Creating digital art is a journey of exploration and creativity. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your skills, remember that every artist has their unique style and pace. Don't compare your journey with others. Instead, focus on developing your skills, building your portfolio, and sharing your passion with the world. The next part of this video series, we'll dive deeper into the technical aspects of creating digital art, including choosing the right software, mastering different techniques, and optimizing your workflow. Stay tuned. Ciao.